pyramids of Giza.
AI-driven banking is taking center stage in Kenya's financial sector. Now, due to this, banks are now focusing on advanced transaction banking platforms to transform how corporates and SMEs manage their finances. NCBA Bank has now come up with ConnectPlus, a platform to boost transaction processing, tighter security, and a smarter digital experience, giving businesses agility in a competitive market. The bank says the upgrade will reinforce digital fast banking, supporting Kenya's Vision 2030 digital economy.
While we are doing this process of continuous innovation and making things better for customers, security is paramount. To make sure the data of the customers is secure. So all necessary guardrails are put around the data to make sure the data remains secure. What we give to NCBA today is the advantages. Not only can they integrate with all the necessary fintech solution providers in the given environment, but they also have the capability to keep enhancing the solution as they move forward. So that also creates a huge advantage for NCBA because their dependency on us becomes very minimal.
If you were an SME, security and flexibility, on-the-go type functionality, being able to have an omni-channel type presence, if I'm at a computer, on the phone, it's the same experience. All these things matter to SMEs and personal banking customers. So we've tried to build that in. We will continue to listen to the feedback that we get. We've had some terrific feedback already on ConnectPlus.
Kenya's clean energy agenda has won a major boost. Now the 1,000